In resource constrained settings, how can data collection and management be improved?
See, as we were told that there has to be an improvement when resources are scarce. What I feel is that as our generation is growing up, we don't really focus on remote areas where probably we don't even know about what is happening in the in villages or in small towns and cities. And like movies like Hriday, if I would take it as an example, it shows us that what people are actually facing, it might be more than what the movie shows. So I felt that it is our responsibility as a citizen that we should go back to where it all starts from, where most of the people are all together. So I think there is where the educated population should go to remote areas and spread their knowledge, or probably set up. Secondly, I feel that the government, though it claims that it has a lot of institutions or medical institutions or for education facilities to remote areas or where resources are not available, but I feel that there has to be some more push towards those policies, which I think is not being provided. For example, when we say that there has been a helpline number for the farmers, even if it is there, I don't think they have that much of capability or that much of guts because to even go up for help.
So there is lack of knowledge as well.
A lot of lack of knowledge. Like recently, when it just rained yesterday, we saw that farmers they commit suicide or they were in debt. So I think there has to be an involvement of a whole institution or the government per se, because it is the administration. It can take up decisions for the people, and it's their duty to do that. So I feel the government should also intervene in such policies.
So in terms of policies or infrastructure or both, so there is lack of infrastructure as well.
Well, I feel they always come up with policies, and even if they're passed, they're not implemented. So in cases of policies, I would say there has to be more of implementation. In place of infrastructure, if the policies are implemented, then infrastructure would always come up. I feel this. And third is that that was the last thing which I thought was that if I grow up and if I could do something was just to set up an NGO and work for it. So probably setting up non-governmental organizations would be a real help, because as youth we can go to the people and talk to them, explain what's happening in the world, and not just exclude them from our country's population, but whereas they constitute the most of the population. So I feel these are the three main points. If we work on them, we can definitely get a huge change.